Namaste, Priyanka from Hubli branch. Today I'll show how to make the pineapple grill in LG micro ovens. Let's see the ingredients. I took a slice of pineapples, made a slices like this. You can make it round or like this kind. And some salt, half a tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and masala like a chili pepper, pepper masala. You can take all any kinds of masalas. And I took half lemon. Will give the nice taste of the putting the lemon. I'll just mix all the ingredients with the pineapple. Okay. Yes, finally got like this mixture of the pineapple. Okay. I'll just put in the non-stick pan. Yes, this is the LG micro oven. I'll keep in the grill means for grill purpose. I'm using the high grill rack, keeping with the multi cook pan. Okay, I placed inside and take the grill mode. Set for 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Once after 3 minutes, we have to stir it one other side. Yes, just now we are got the end on the display. I'll just show how the pineapple. Yes, it got completely grilled. Okay. See. After the 10 minutes of that getting cool, we can eat the crispy and crunchy pineapple. Thanks for watching the video. If you had any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.